Miami Stem Cell, we take a regenerative approach to joint health using umbilical cord-derived mesenchymal stem cells and exosomes. These cells, ethically donated after full-term births, are processed in FDA-registered labs and carefully tested for quality and safety. Treatments are delivered either directly into the joint, like the knee, hip, shoulder, or ankle, or through IV infusion when multiple joints or widespread inflammation are involved. Every plan begins with a consultation and imaging when needed, and most patients experience little downtime after treatment. Early improvements, such as less stiffness and greater mobility, may appear within weeks, with continued progress over time. At Miami Stem Cell, we guide you through every step so you can clearly understand your options. Schedule your free consultation today to learn more about regenerative joint care.